Another epic chess game is about to begin. Like and subscribe for more action. Pawn to e4 is the best move.
This is a book move. The opening is called Scandinavian Defense.
Pawn catches on d5 is best. This is a trade.
Knight to f6 is the best move.
This is a book move. The opening is called Scandinavian Defense, modern variation.
This is a book move. The opening is called Scandinavian Defense, Portuguese Gambit.
Knight to f3.
Queen captures on d5 is excellent. This defends a pawn on b7. This captures a free pawn. Bishop captures on f3 is best. This is a trade.
Bishop to e2 is best. This develops a bishop.
Knight to c6 is best. This develops a knight.
Kingside castle is excellent. Pawn to c4 is best. This attacks the queen.
Queenside castle is the best move.
Pawn to h3 is the best move.
Bishop to h5 is the best move.
Pawn to c4 is excellent. This attacks the queen. Pawn to c3 is best.
Queen to d7.
Bishop to e3.
Queenside castle is good. Rook to d8 is best. This develops a rook.
Knight from file b to d2 is excellent. This develops a knight. Queen to b3 is best. This defends a pawn on b12.
Rook to g8 is the best move.
Knight to e5 is excellent. This offers a trade. This attacks the queen. Queen to b3 is best. This defends a pawn on b12.
Bishop captures on e2 is best. This is a trade.
Queen captures on e2 is best.
Knight captures on d4.
Bishop captures on d4.
Queen captures on d4 is best. This defends a pawn on a7. This attacks the pawn. This pins a piece of the opponent to their king. This move gains a tempo.
Knight from file d to f3 is best. This attacks the queen.
Queen to b6 is inaccuracy. This move leaves pawn hanging on f7. A chance to attack a queen with Kefir was missed. This permits the opponent to attack a piece. The opponent can win a tempo. The opponent can play an xf7. Queen to e4 is best. This offers a trade. This attacks the queen.
Knight captures on f7 is best. This attacks the rook. This move gains a tempo. This captures a free pawn.
Rook to e8 is best. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns.
Knight from rank 3 to e5 is the best move.
Pawn to e5 is the best move.
Pawn to a3 is best.
Rook from file g to f8 is best. This attacks the knight. This move gains a tempo.
Knight from rank 7 to e5 is best.
Bishop to d6.
Pawn to b4.
Bishop captures on e5.
Queen captures on e5 is the best move.
Rook to d8 is best. This offers a trade. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns.
Pawn to c5.
Queen to a6 is the best move.
Pawn to b5 is excellent. This attacks the queen. Queen to c2 is best.
Queen captures on a3 is best. This attacks the pawn. This captures a free pawn.
Pawn to c6 is best. This offers a trade.
Queen to c5 is inaccuracy. There was a mispin in the previous move with our stone. This permits the opponent to attack a piece. The opponent can play alekhine. Rook captures on d1 is best. This is a trade. This pins a piece of the opponent to their king.
Rook to c1 is the best move.
Queen captures on b6 is mistake. There was a mispin in the previous move with our stone. This permits the opponent to attack a piece. The opponent can play r-bone. Rook captures on d1 is best. This is a trade. This pins a piece of the opponent to their king.
Rook to b1.
Queen to c5.
Pawn catches on b7 check is the best move. The game is over. White wins.